So we've been working with value, and we're going to start color because we're going to start painting. And that's why we're starting this introductory on color. Today we're going to talk about a little bit about how colors influence us in our lives every day and how we interact with them. So can you think of a way that you use color every day? How do you use color? Or colors? Okay. Ooh, getting dressed. Right? Indigo.
Like items that you own.
Oh, so elaborate.
So like, if you have like a bullet journal and it'd be like more creative or like, you know what
Okay, so adding
How am I supposed to
color to personal items. What we mean? Okay,
whole color pencil broken?
well, we'll fix it here in just a second. Okay, other ways we use color. Fiona?
Maybe like highlight.
Oh, so highlighting. Why do we highlight? What does it do? Important. So importance. What else? Adeline, how do you use color? Okay, so getting dressed, you want to make sure that you match, right? Now, can you purposely not match? Yeah. Okay. Mason, how do you use colors?
I don't know. I can't think of anything right now. All the ideas. I know I was thinking of them either.
Helen, how do you use color?
I don't know. Maybe color and things.
What are things? Color in what kinds of things?
Pictures?
Okay. So make pictures. Hey, what are you doing? Because if we don't, it's basically just a line drawing, right? No black and white. Okay. Bella? Ooh, how about this word spicy? Spice it up, right? Are colors more interesting to look at? Do certain colors catch your attention? Yeah, okay. So when you're painting or using color, you want to make sure that you're very intentional. If you look at the painting back on the wall of mine, I was very intentional about, I really wanted that red, but things weren't just popping. So what color did I use in contrast to that? Yellow. Okay, so I was very intentional about where I put that yellow. There's not yellow everywhere, right? I used yellow for highlights. So that's one way that you can use color to catch somebody's eye. Maybe don't use so much of it. Okay? If you have a lot of the same and one thing that's different, what do you see first? The one thing that's different, okay? And same rules go for colors. Okay? Anybody think of anything else? Jason? Oh, difference. Like, give me an example.
Like, telling the difference between like mayonnaise and mustard.
Okay, so foods. What if you went out and there were 6 trucks, all the same brand, all the same year, all the same make, all the same model? How would you know which one is yours? Color, right? Okay, now if there's 2 white ones, we can eliminate, right, from that. But color is important for recognition, for differences. So we'll go right. Does everyone see color the same way? No. Okay. So a lot of higher population of men are colorblind than women. And there's a lot of brain research that's been done about that. I don't think, some boys do, but a lot of guys don't see color super good. Like they don't tell the difference between mauve and purple, or mauve and crimson. Okay, so we are going to watch a video on introduction to graphic design and how color is used to get your attention for things out there that are in the world. Okay, all together.
I didn't mean a pencil sharpener.
Okay, I'll get it for you, tell them when it's, okay? We can watch the video now. The technology today is brilliant. Bear with me. I've been wanting to like drag and drop the video very well. Yeah, please, There's one that says looking at the oil. Say week or anything. Here.
Color. It plays a vital role in design and everyday life. It can draw your eye to an image, evoke a certain mood or emotion, even communicate something important without using words at all. So how do we know which colors look good together and which ones don't? The answer is simple. Color theory. Artists and designers have followed color theory for centuries, but anyone can learn more about it. It can help you feel confident in many different situations, whether it's choosing colors for a design or putting together the perfect outfit. All it takes is a little insight, and you'll be looking at color in a whole new way. Let's start at the beginning, the very beginning, with a refresher on the basics. Remember learning about primary and secondary colors in school? Then you already have some knowledge of color theory. Red and yellow make orange, yellow and blue make green, and blue and red make purple. If we mix these colors together, we get even more in-between shades, like red-orange and yellow-green. All together, they form what's called a color wheel. You can probably see where it gets its name. Now, let's take it one step further with hue, saturation, and value. These are terms you might never see in daily life, but they're the key to understanding more nuanced colors, like all those little paint chips at the home improvement store. Hue is the easiest one. It's basically just another word for color. Saturation refers to intensity. In other words, whether the color appears more subtle or more vibrant. Value has to do with how dark or light the color is, ranging from black to white. As you can see, this gives us many different shades, from a deep reddish brown to light pastel pink. So how do we put this all together to create professional-looking color schemes? There are actually tried and true formulas based on something called color harmony that can help. All you need is the color wheel. The easiest formula for harmony is monochromatic.